Here's a really quick video about our hybrid water heater I just installed today. It's a Rheem. Setting up the app is a little bit dicey, but managed to do it. I wish you could see how much power it's drawing and the on the status of the sensors. That would be really helpful to be able to access online on the app, but oh well, maybe they'll have that in a future update. So the operating principle of this is it's basically I'd call it a dehumidifier, only instead of dumping the hot refrigerant back into the air, dumps the heat energy into the water. So this is a 50-gallon tank, starts here, goes to the ground, and this part from here up is all of the compressor, condenser, evaporator, and obviously the little electronics control here. So the way this works is, let me turn on this light here. This is the air intake. Up here it goes through a little screen filter that you have to clean out. I believe it's once a month, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna have to look at that. And then it blows out the it's actually cooled air. So this thing is pretty great because here in Georgia, we always, for 10 months, 8 to 10 months out of the year, you're gonna want some cooling and some dehumidification. So this thing provides both hot water and cooling and dehumidification for one price. And I gotta admit, I'm pretty impressed with the thing so far. It heated up the first batch of water from tap temperature, which honestly I don't know what it is here in Georgia, up to operating temperature is selected at 120 degrees in just about an hour and 15 minutes or so. So that's 50 gallons of water reheated that much in an hour and 15 minutes. It can also turn on it has elements. I'm not sure if there's an element in there. There's conflicting evidence. I believe there is in this one. There are two elements, I guess I'll just say that. And it can turn on those elements if you want a fast reheating. So this is the data sheet on that. So if anybody wants to see what it's all about, that's the one I've got. So I'm very impressed. I probably should have done this a long time ago. I think we're going to save a lot of energy, plus all the condensate and dehumidification and cooling. The condensate comes out of here, out of this line, goes into the drain that I have running down to a pump that drains it out into the main septic system here. So I just wanted to give a quick little spiel about that.